Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Street View on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. Now select the place what you wanna check. You can select some place by click on it, or you can press and hold at some empty space. Then we have this icon at the left side. You need to click at this icon, and here it is, we have Street View. If you select space, just click at this icon at the left side, and also we have Street View. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.